Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and this is part 2 of the Simplex 425120 restoration. So here's me. There's my collection shelves right there. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be taking the station apart. So yeah, this is also going to be kind of like a guide of how to disassemble one of these. So there, take the two nuts that hold it on there. There's two little nuts, and that one rolled away. And then the door, or the front of it, has this part that does like that to open it. And I don't know, no, that can't come out of there, but I am gonna like clean it because it's pretty dirty. Now let's take the handle out of here. So there's two flat screws that you have to remove. So there it is. Now I got the handle kind of out. Yeah. I'm gonna just have the handle kind of loose. And lastly, I'm gonna take the lock out of it so that I can polish it and what have you. Need to turn it there, and here's the Simplex B key lock, and a bare-ish front of a 4251 pull station. But we're not done. That's just assembling the front. Here's the back. And I have to that wasn't good. But yeah, there's, to hold the screw terminals on, there's these two screws. So I'm gonna take those out. And then the terminals come off like that, and then inside those two screws They are what hold this thing on. And there's that. Now I'm gonna take the button out too. Okay, here it comes. The nut and the button and the terminal block, which I'm gonna lay over there. So yeah, the next step will be polishing this. So I may have a video of it, but I don't think I'm gonna video myself polishing. But yeah, I'm gonna polish that out and this too. But anywho, yeah, I'm gonna get to polishing, and then I'm gonna paint the front and put it all back together and polish this too because it's shiny. But yeah, that's it for the disassembly.